Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk is in this pullback still. As I said to you in the last videos, this was the area where we were watching for a reaction because the price formed as one of the few coins a 5-wave move to the upside, actually an impulse, which is good to see. An impulse to the upside from the, need to move that here, from the 13th of April or 14th of April low. And it actually did that while Bitcoin was quite weak. Okay, so it sort of was front running a little bit. And it formed a 5-wave move. The 5th wave ended at the 61.8 FIB extension of waves 1 and 3 together. That's an ideal target for a 5th wave. And this can be counted now as wave 1. Okay, so as a 5-wave move, the first wave of the next larger 5th wave here. So you can see the roadmap. We'd like to see 5 further waves to the upside. We measured it yesterday and did say that if the price gives us a pullback down to the 61.8 FIB retracement, for example, around 200,667, the projected target to the upside would allow for a 600 to 700% increase from there. So it's a bit of an opportunity there, this support area. Of course, the condition is that the lower support level is holding at 161,483. But for now, it's looking exactly, as according to script basically, which is good. So no need to panic, nothing unexpected, no surprises on this chart. The initial signal that a pullback would start was a break of this trend line. I don't normally like to use trend lines so much, but in this case, it was quite a successful signal. It was a good signal. Yeah, price dipped quite substantially after the break of the trend line. And I'm still watching for a B wave to start. This could still extend a bit further. I mean, the A wave doesn't need to finish at this stage. Could still stretch out further. Sometimes the A wave doesn't finish before breaking below, before the 38.2 FIB level here at 272,280, or even the 50% FIB level. So an A wave can easily reach the 38.2 FIB or even the 50% FIB. No, I just don't want it to go below the 50% retracement, because then it becomes a little bit too extended. And the risk is that the C wave eventually will run out of space and might break below the support area. But overall, this is the support level or area that needs to hold for wave 2. I'm tracking the wave count. It's always impossible in the beginning to say how a wave 2 or any correction really unfolds in detail. But I normally begin by tracking just the normal ABC structure. And it appears that the A wave is still unfolding. In terms of Fibonacci guidelines, I mean, we normally say that a wave 2 tends to finish in the region of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. It was a triangle here, so around the 50% FIB level maybe, 233,747. We can also add the VRVP to the chart, volume profile. I'm sure there is a bit of a spike where that triangle is. Oh, why does it not load? Let me just add another one. I'm not sure why it. VRVP. Haven't checked it before actually. So yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, the data vendor doesn't provide volume data. Well, that's okay. That's a shame. Might check the Coinbase chart, because here we get the VRVP. Yeah, and you can see that here around 2,553 in this area. That's the point of control. That's where most volume was traded. That's pretty much at the end of that triangle. Yeah, keep that in mind, where that triangle finished really, and the next move up started. So pretty much in the area or around the area of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. Let's go back to our chart. See, it would be here. Perfect. So yeah, basically close to the 50% FIB level. I'm not saying it will finish there. I'm not saying it will turn around there, but these are all levels of interest that we can definitely watch and keep in mind. For now, the mode is corrective. Standard resistance area has been, let's say, redefined based on the latest low. I will continue to move it down with the price as I have to do it, but be aware that, I think A wave is long enough already. So it could easily stretch out a little lower, but only when we get the B wave really into resistance, we can calculate a target for wave C. Standard resistance area here for the B wave is defined between 364,828 and 414,208. Yeah, that's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.